Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about my conceptual design of a composting machine. First of all, my name is SHEN HIEN with metric number 1A5900. And before everything else, I'm going to talk about the given requirement by our lecturers, Dr. Azma, which specified it should be of household usage. It should process at least 1 kg of banana peels. The process should take maximum period of 7 days, and it should be able to yield clean compost and do not promote growth of any maggots. Lastly, the design have to be innovative. Before we are designing a compost machine, we have to understand how to produce a compost. Firstly, we have to get adequate amount of oxygen to promote anaerobic decomposition, where there will be no smell coming out from the process. Secondly, we have to obtain an optimum temperature of about 60 degrees Celsius so that we could promote destruction of weed seeds, fly larvae, and plant pathogen. And we should maintain a moisture content for about 45% to get optimum performance. Fourthly, the size of the food waste should be of 2 inches so that we could speed up the whole process. The ideal carbon to nitrogen ratio of the food waste should be of 30:1. And the optimum dimension of the piles of food waste should be of 3 feet times 3 feet times 3 feet. This is because we want to achieve the first and second criteria, which is to get adequate amount of oxygen and at the same time getting optimum temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. And in my design, I propose that the food waste have to be mixed with other waste to get CN ratio of 30:1. Spray with mist of water in order to obtain moisture content for about 45%. And chop into smaller particles before putting into the composting machine to speed up the entire process. And here is my first conceptual design one, which is in-vessel composting machine. And here is the design. Basically, it is a rotating drums powered by 2 types of actuation method, which is manual actuation method, foot pedal actuator, and automated actuation method, which is electric servo motor, giving 3 to 4 revolutions per hour. And everything is put on top of a mobile portable platform, so it's easy to move around. And here, the entire drum is sealed so that there will be no outcoming pests coming into the system. So here is the internal of the drums, which I put 2 bulbs on each side to give the optimum temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, and at the same time the shovels to move around the drums. And here is my second conceptual design tool, which is aerated bin composting machine. And here is the design, which basically it is a static drum on top of a same mobile portable platform, but it is consistently being pumped by electric air pump through a heater. And here is how the internal looks like. Basically, the hot air will pass through the perforated pipes in the container and come out as a cold air. So the compost inside will get enough temperature and at the same time enough oxygen to carry out the decomposition process. And at the bottom of it, I put some coarse material, maybe rocks or sand, so that the oxygen and also the water or liquid could coming in and out from the bottom of the container. So here is the end of my presentation. Thank you.